Today's guide is all about installing pip, the Python package installer. With pip in place, downloading and managing libraries like NumPy, Flask, or Django becomes quick and simple. First, check if pip is already installed. Open the terminal or command prompt and type pip version. If pip is installed, a version number will appear. For example, pip 23.0.1. If you see an error, pip isn't set up yet. Another way to check is Python mpip version. This runs pip through Python directly. If pip is missing, the solution is to download the installer script. Type curl ht bootstrap pyp.io get pip pio get pip py. This saves a file called get pip py. Now run it with Python. Python get pip py. On systems where both Python 2 and Python 3 exist, use Python 3 get pip py. Once the script finishes, pip will be installed. Confirm by checking again. Pip version. If a version number shows, pip is ready. Some issues may appear. If the message says pip is not recognized, it means Python scripts folder isn't in the path. Add that folder to the path environment variable to fix it. If you see permission denied on Linux or Mac, use sudo at the start of the command. If there are multiple versions of Python, always run pip like this. Python m pip install package name. That ensures pip works with the correct version of Python. Finally, keep pip updated with Python mpip install upgrade pip. And that's it. Pip is now installed and ready to manage any Python package. In the next Fix Me Master Guide, we'll set up virtual environments to keep projects clean and organized.